We now will have a look at the functional endurance test. We can do the test one side or both sides. We select the amount of weight, the number of repetitions, and the movement acceptance. What range of motion should be performed to accept this as a repetition? We can select a low weight with a high amount of repetitions or a high weight with a low amount of repetitions. We perform the range of motion, and in this test case we ask 10 repetitions. As quick as possible, perform the 10 repetitions. What we are looking for is fatigue, and during fatigue the patient will perform a lower speed. After the 10 repetitions, the software switches automatically to the involved side, and we ask with the same instruction, we perform with the same weight 10 repetitions. And in this case, the patient is getting a little bit more fatigue in the last 3 repetitions. When the test is finished, we get 4 graphs: the involved and non-involved last repetition and the second repetition. We switched off the last repetitions and we can just have a look at the second repetition. Compare these two. We look at the concentrics. There's not a lot of deficit. But if we have a look at the last repetition, we do see a deficit. We select all curves and have a look at the numbers. The maximal peak force in one of the 10 repetitions, there is not a lot of difference. If we look at the work, we see also a little difference. Eccentrics is not so important in this endurance testing or force testing. The print is giving all the graphs and the numbers.